The kit assembly of the iPad display stand is quick and easy. Begin by flipping the base upside down and attaching the pole using the 4 Phillips screws. Get all the screws started before you tighten them using a Phillips screwdriver, not included. Do not use a power drill. Stand base into upright position. Attach the tablet case to the pole using the hex screws. Insert a hex screw into the top hole and with the included hex wrench, tighten. Repeat for the bottom screw. Unlock the tablet case using the key. Remove the faceplate and insert your iPad. Push the pin of the lock in to secure. You are now ready to utilize the marketing power of the iPad display stand. To add the iPad Air attachments, unlock the iPad case. Simply lift up the black bumpers in all 4 corners and slide on the iPad Air bumpers. Replace the faceplate and lock into place.